Hi, I'm Sherry, and obviously, if you're here watching this, you're looking for something. If you're serious about taking control of your financial future for your family and building a residual income for your family, then you're in the right spot. What I want to share with you today is what, in my opinion, is the best opportunity that is out there and available right now. What's really important when you are looking for an opportunity is you need to look at the backing of the company, you need to look at the product, and you need to look at the compensation. So that's what I want to talk to you a little bit about right now. First of all, the backing of a company is super important because they're going to be your business partners. So how would you like to be in business with one of the most influential people in the direct response television company? Well, you can be. And his name is Stephen K. Scott, and he's very well known for the Total Gym with Chuck Norris and Christy Brinkley. He's also done infomercials with Richard Simmons, which is what was called Dylan Mill, and If There's a Will, There's an A with John Ritter. He has based his whole career, has been on marketing, and it's been on television marketing. He's taken breakthrough products and he's actually brought them to market, and he's made a multi-million-dollar business out of doing this. Now, what if your other partner could be the largest direct response television company in the world, and that's Gunthy Rinker. There's Bill Gunthy and Greg Rinker are the owners of Gunthy Rinker, and they're also would be your partners with this. They are known for tons of infomercials. They have done Proactive with Jessica Simpson. They've done with Anthony Robbins, Ultimate Edge. They've done Victoria's Secret's Principal Secrets, and plenty of others with Cindy Crawford and James Seymour and Lisa Gibson with Sheer Cover. Tons of infomercials. That's their whole career, and they are marketing geniuses. So those are who your partners will be. Now, the next thing that's really important is the product that you have. It's very important that your product works. And unfortunately, lots of times with certain companies, the products don't work. But you know what? This product works. It was developed by a scientist slash medical doctor. He has been named America's top physician for the year 2003 through 2009. He has published over 100 articles in medical journals. He has sit on the board of directors for Mayo Medical School, Mayo Clinic Medical School of Medicine, and he has actually developed this product and used it in his practice for the last 10 years. And unfortunately, nobody's known about it. But because of Stephen Scott and Gunthy Rinker, now the world is going to find out about this. So that's the product. Now the product is verifiable and quantifiable and provable by a blood test. So you can actually take your blood test before you take the product, and then retest your blood, and you can actually see what this product is doing to every single cell in your body. That's unheard of. This product actually works. It works 100% of the time, and it's provable. It's been clinically studied. It works 100% of the time, and it also is protected. It has a composition patent on it. And what that means is composition patents are normally just reserved for actually pharmaceuticals. And very few nutritional supplements have ever gotten a composition patent. But what this means is that this product is so incredible that they've protected it, that some other company can't come in and just change one little bit and then make another product that does very similar to the same thing, but just changing the ingredients a little bit. But because this product took the doctor so long to develop that they've actually protected it with that way. So now you've got a great company, great product, and now you got to talk about the compensation plan. The compensation plan is incredible. Now, not only do you get paid in 7 different areas with this company on the compensation, my favorite part of the compensation plan is they actually pay the people that are getting started. Traditionally, most companies, they tend to really reward the top producers, and they seem to make bonus after bonus when they're already making tons of money, and they make these additional bonuses. Well, this company has a really great concept, and they're the first ones in the industry to even do this. They actually have a global bonus pool, and that global bonus pool is only reserved for new associates that are making less than $5,000 a month. And what that global pool does is that when a new person starts and they start building their business, as much as their volume increases, they actually earn shares of this global pool, and it adds to your income, so you can actually start making really good money right off the bat. And it's a great concept to reward the beginning. So when you're getting started, when you need it the most. So these are the main aspects of this company, main aspects of looking for a good company. So if you'd like to have any more information, I'd love to talk with you. You can also go to the website and you can find out some more information. So go to www.buildmaxhealth.com. That's build, B-U-I-L-D, Max is M-A-X, and health is Health.com. Okay, so check it out. I'd love to talk with you. I'd love to be in business with you. So if you're looking for business, check it out and give me a call. Okay, have a great night.